guys, look who is back. Look who is back. Mommy is back, right? Mommy's back. And Mia is happy that mommy is back. Yeah guys, I've been back and rebonding with my babies, right Papa? So I just woke up from sleep, like it's literally 7:30 or something. Mia is about to go to school. Micah is just here being cute as always. Oh my baby, I missed this handsome little one so much, like so much. Show them your teeth. 2 teeth below, 2 teeth shooting up on top. 2 teeth. Look. He has 2 teeth below. He has 2 teeth shooting up on top. My baby. Say hi. Say hi. 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 Hello. Video guys. Do you know that I'm still battling? I got back from Lagos yesterday and I'm still battling, I don't know, a lost voice. I'm in between a lost and regained voice at this point, but hope you guys are doing well. Today is Friday and I am parked somewhere because, look you guys, I don't even want to reveal where I am just yet, but I'm parked somewhere because I want to collect something, okay? I want to collect something that I probably would share in maybe the next vlog or maybe even this vlog. I'm not sure how it's gonna go, but regardless, I will share it for you guys to know all about it. But I'm super excited because my bestie is in town. If you don't know my bestie, you guys remember my trip to the UK. That was September, October 2023 when I was in my first trimester pregnant with Micah. I was in the UK for a whole month, and you guys recall that my bestie housed me for that entire month. Anyway, my bestie Eunice is in town and I'm so excited. She hasn't been to Nigeria since right before COVID lockdown. Her last trip to Nigeria, she left the country exactly February, like I think it was a week or 2 before COVID hit and the lockdown was enforced. So that was the last time I saw Eunice in Nigeria. Like that was the last time she came to Nigeria. That was 2020, February 2020. So she is back to Nigeria now for a couple of weeks and I'm super excited to see her. She's actually coming to meet me here. I'm super excited to see her. Once she gets here, I will definitely show you guys her, okay? You guys, my friend is here. Oh my god, you guys. I was telling that your last trip to Nigeria was in 2020.
Yes, girl.
That's 5 years.
5 years, I know.
You haven't been here in 5 years, girl.
I know. And then
oh my god,
while I was gone, people were trying to steal money from my account. My auntie. So basically, I went to Zenith Bank to try and get my bank card.
Yeah.
My whatever.
Oh my god,
what? Your account is blocked. Because so basically I cannot get my card today. I have to wait till Monday. I'm card. Because basically they blocked my account because they're
trying to hack into it.
The people were using my card to top up mobile phones, top up MTN number. So I didn't know my auntie blocked it at the time. I thought she just removed the account number, but it was really frozen. You guys see my girl in the bush, in the flesh. Let's go.
Look at who is meeting Micah for the first time and seeing Mia Rose since she was a baby.
I know.
Auntie Eunice saw you last when you were a baby, Mama. I think she was not even up to 1 year old yet when you saw her.
Same way that Micah's looking at me
right now. Oh. That's Auntie Eunice.
Hi, Micah. My baby Mia.
Aww. Hey, baby boy. My son is just like, Mommy. Oh my god. Hi guys. Hi. Same day. I just dropped my friend off at where she's staying, and I just got to my friend Julietta's house. You guys, Tingo's birthday has refused to end at this point because Julietta is now hosting Tingo at her house today, and she invited a couple of us to come eat and make merry. We just came back from Lagos, like this birthday has refused to finish at this point, but I'm not complaining, okay? Anything to just vibe and enjoy ourselves. I am down for that. You guys know me, I'm the queen of outside and the queen of enjoyment, okay? I just got to Julietta's house right about now, and let's go in and see what tonight is all about, because it's not a serious thing, it's not a small thing, no. It's not a small thing. I almost didn't come because, to be very honest guys, I'm actually exhausted from all the traveling and all the back-to-back enjoyment. But see, enjoyment can never be too much, okay? So let's go in there and let's see what's going on. All right, these girls are already making plenty of noise. This is the continuation of Lagos. Yes. What's happening? Oh my God! You guys!
You saw all of this and it's okay.
Hello, chief organizer! You were so missing from this trip. I miss you, Skatsa.
Was pregnant for the second.
Birthday girl, and you used to end her birthday. End this birthday, it's enough. It's enough. What's happening now? It's enough. Abuja edition. But we already had pre-birthday in Abuja now before we traveled now. You guys, like, it's wild. It's a complete setup going on over here at Julietta's house, because what is going on? It's a complete setup. What? Hey, see, all of you are gonna shock this evening. See the Ogogoro inside. See, even give back, say, hey, see, give back, oh, hey. Oh my God, guys. This is serious. So see the rice, see the stew. See everything. See. We're gonna have it tonight. Come on. That leaks now.
Yes. Oh, I thought this is the first time they're releasing.
No. Mash up the place for. Come on, girl. Girl, which one is this one? Hey, girl, fill my glass.
Baby, loving the way you move around me. No more delay. No, you can wait to shut it down. Want you,
Jennifer? Hi, sweetie.
No makeup. Everybody was
yeah, like a pajama party. That'd be nice. Hostess with the mostess. Hostess with the mostess. Let's go.
Yeah. And every time that you come across my mind, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. In love.
You know, say you're not a peaceful
sometimes.
You write it yourself. I woke up, I choose violence.
Oh my God, that's hilarious. I love this bowl, so beautiful.
It's my face, I have a
See, that's how the dress is.
No, you have a resting bitch face, yes, but that's the thing, you might be a very sweetheart.
Oh my God.
You love to do me cuckoo. Hey, yeah. Loving the way you move around me. The body don't wait to shut it down. Won't you show me how you work it? I can find no flaws, you perfect. Cause every time that you come around my way,
we have to look up. Oh, you have pink of the right color. I think my color.
Then it's fine, else because I don't want it.
We're still doing tango at 40. We're still doing tango at 40. 1, 2, 3. Are you sure? Oh, let's go. Yeah. Concentration. Names of YouTubers. I'm on too.
my way, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. And every time that you come across my mind.
the next day. Explain to me how I was able to wake up and make this appointment. But we are here actually shooting for Zaya and Ryan's with our kids today after the crazy night we had yesterday. It's a miracle that I'm standing right here and I was able to make it for this job because I am exhausted, guys. Like, my eyes are peppering me. I need to sleep at this point. But outfit of the day is this Ankara dress. I've had this dress for like years at this point, but I haven't worn it in a long time, like in a long ass time. But yeah, this is the outfit of the day. Let's see how we can do this job in one piece. I'm here with Mia Rose and Micah and Micah's nanny. Wow, you guys, I need to sleep. I need to sleep. Tango, say hi. Next day. And then the next day, look at how we are looking like zombies. Sleep. Hi, sweetie boy. Hi, sweetie. He was laughing like somebody that was saying, yes, mommy brought the camera to my side. I don't wanna be alone. Mia Rose, the social media influencer. Mia Rose, the YouTuber. Sweet girl. It's time for me to move on. I want you right here, but you're all across the globe. Never call me back, even though you're on your phone. Wishful thinking gets the best of me. Hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I do not want to give you more of my life. I do not want to give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now, not sure if I'll make it out. I do not want to give you more of my life.
One, two, three, let's go. Hey.
Reading through our convo, trying to find where it went wrong. Baby, I'll be fine if you text me one last time. Wishful thinking gets the way.
This golden hour. Oh my god. Look at my baby. Ooh. These women are not tired of hanging out, okay? We are not tired of hanging out.
Every day we are out.
Every day. You tango at 40. Hi, girl. Mingu. Pretty. This is my drink. Look at my drink. Who ordered this spicy? This must be spicy something.
Said it's something hibiscus. Wow.
Okay, no, take. I'm obsessed with passion fruit right now.
Hi, Alma. Girl. I found it.
You are a fine girl, Jennifer. Eh? Don't worry, you are a very fine girl.